Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first, just let's hold for a while our device home screen with the finger, and after that here you'll see the effects icon. Just click here once. Now we have selected the default, the classic one. We can select one from this available animations. For example, I'll use this zoom in. Just to save the changes, click once on the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed the home screen animation on our smartphone. If you wanna just go back to the default effect, just go again to the effects section and select the classic, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.